Let's learn English. Myclass, Yourclass.
Today's lesson, the alphabet. Letter E. E is for elephant. The elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth. Wow! E is for Earth. The planets in order of distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. E is for Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in size but the third largest in population. E is for eggplant. Eggplant is called aubergine in the United Kingdom and brinjal in some parts of Asia. E is for egg. The egg is an important food, as it contains proteins, minerals, and vitamins essential for the proper functioning of the human body. E is for eraser. The eraser was accidentally invented in 1770 by an English engineer named Edward Norn. E is for England. One of England's best-known traditions is 5 o'clock tea. This habit emerged in the 19th century. E is for eyes. The human eye can see 500 shades of grey. You blink an average of 4,200,000 times a year. E is for environment. We have to preserve the environment. E is for enjoy. Enjoy your day.